How you can fix the Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can fix your My Eyes Only photos is not showing into your Snapchat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and clear out the cache of your Snapchat. For that you just have to click on it. Now from here you have to click into your profile and click on this gear icon that is in the top right corner. Now from here you just have to scroll down and here is the option of the privacy controls clear data. You have to click on it. Now here is the option of the clear cache. You have to click on it. Now as you can see that here is the option all of your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restart but your memories won't be deleted. So you just have to click on the clear and clear the cache of your Snapchat. And after that you just have to go back and go into your My Eyes Only. Now here you have to know that if you recover your My Eyes Only, there is no picture available. It means that all of your photos will be removed. So you have to clear it and after that you just have to go back and go into your phone settings. From here you have to go in the general and click on the iPhone storage. Now from here you have to again scroll down and go in the Snapchat and click on this offload app. Now from here you have to offload your Snapchat. Now this will restart your Snapchat or reinstall it. And after that you have to restart your phone and you are able to fix the Snapchat My Eyes Only photos not showing. But you have to make sure that your internet connection is secure. So this is how you can fix it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.